Ibinida ng DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon, inggelingan ng kabalenay IC Calagwas bilang pamuntok ng DOTR Right-of-Way and Site Acquisition Team kay ba't aresolva ng manimunang row issues king subway project. Ay ng report ng Patricia Mamang.
Asolusyonanin ng Department of Transportation o DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon reng 5 manimunang issue king right-of-way ning Metro Manila Subway Project o MMSP king kilub namo ning 4 bulan. Malwat tsaka nung mitenga kilub ning 3 banwa in construction ning MMSP.
Ito na lang yung natitira.
Okay.
No, the others have been thankfully have been resolved, and we are, for example, the issue underneath
The
Katipunan
Posh
Avenue
okay.
in White Plains, that's already been resolved. In fact, ano na yon, no, na-settle na yon, hindi kailangan mag-expropriate doon, nadala sa maayos na usapan.
King meto nga interview, pinuri ng Dizon, ing DOTR Right-of-Way and Site Acquisition Team. Apani muna ng Assistant Secretary IC Calagwas, ibat king Angeles City, uli ding hands-on, apa manutok king proyekto.
Yes, but we also got someone who is nakatutok dito. No? She's a former city administrator of Angeles City, so she's used to fixing problems like this, and she's nakatutok dito sa mga problema to. So we're very happy with her and her team, and she was actually instrumental in getting the 4 issues of the right-of-way for subway resolved, no, in just 4 months, I think.
Manibat inyang milokloking secretary inyang February 26, 2025. May kapagtalay Dizon ng alwa pang tagumpe, kalupaning mas mabilis sa biyahe king MRT at LRT ating pamagpalawak ning cashless payment system. Ing 33 kilometrong MMSP asalukuyan ang gagawan, asahan niyang mayari at makumpleto king 2031 at asahang maging pekamumunang underground rapid transit line king bansa. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.